Now that the ROVSUN 18,000 BTU window air conditioner unit is connected to the app, we're going to connect it with the Google Assistant. And in the settings, we're going to select devices. Then we're going to add a device. And since this isn't like an original Google device, we're just going to link a device. And you're going to have a long list to search through for your particular app. You can just type in the name of the app. But sometimes I always had a little bit of trouble finding it regardless. But I'm looking for Smart Life, Smart Home. So I'm going to go all the way down in alphabetical order. There we are. Smart Life, Smart Home. It's going to ask us to link it. And we're going to continue. Then we're going to agree. And now it is linked. Turn on the air conditioner.
Okay, turning the window type air conditioner on.